Okay, this is a connector for the door switch, and it's a pain. You have to push that button, and on the other side push that button at the same time, and you pull it. So it's just so difficult, and it's overkill. So what I do with these connectors, I just cut that part right there, and on the other side I cut the part on that side. That way you can slide it in or out and it still works. It's just overkill and a reason to call the technician. It's just an overkill. So give me a second, I'm gonna cut it and I'm gonna release it. I'm gonna cut that part right there. That little part right there, that little gap. And on the other side I'm gonna do the same thing, and then I'll show you how easy it is to take it off and on. It's no type of safety issue. Once it's on, it's not coming off. It doesn't move around or anything like that. It's just an overkill. So give me a sec. Okay, as you can see, I cut right in that area right there. Right there. As you can see, that's cut. And the other side, I cut it. So it's clean now. And guess what? It's apart. I slid it apart. So as you can see. So I just cut those little bridges right there on both ends. So you can slide it in and out, and now you don't have a problem with it. So it's just overkill on the company's part. They just want to make you buy it again or something like that. It just doesn't make any sense. So all you gotta do is when you want to get it back, just plug it back up.